Okay, so today I want to show you how to search for recipes and add them to your meal plan using the browse. So one thing I get a lot of is how do I find recipes using tomatoes or poblanos or spaghetti squash? You can always search inside your planner for anything that you want, but I do prefer, if I'm not quite sure what I want, to use the browse because you can see pictures of the food without having to click on it. So it's a really great way to see a lot of food at once and therefore save time. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on browse and then say, for example, we want a recipe using spaghetti squash. We're not quite sure what kind of recipe we want. We want to see what looks good. You'll type spaghetti squash, hit enter, and you can scroll through and see all the recipes containing spaghetti squash. Or, for example, if you want something using tomato, get the word tomato in and tomato recipes will pop up. Then once something catches your eye, you can click on it and you'll click this little calendar icon here, and then you'll select the day of the week to which you want to add that recipe. I'm gonna have it today, dinner, and hit add. And then when you go to your planner, you'll see it's already on the plan for dinner. So as I've mentioned before, I like to plan out my dinners for the week. So I go here, hit browse, either browse through or again, search something specific. Oops, helpful if I could type. And then I'll select the recipe I want and add it to the planner. Again, picking the day I want to do it, meal, there we go. So then you'll see if I go to planner, now I've got Tuesday, can't click anything correctly, Tuesday plan with the poblanos and Wednesday plan with the pasta salad. So if you guys are not quite sure what to eat, or if you're wanting to search for something with a specific recipe, browse is your best friend. Makes it so simple. And again, you can just click on a recipe, click on this little calendar, put it on which day of the week you want, select the meal, and then there we go. I've already got 3 meals for the week planned out in just a couple of seconds.